Use a DVR. A DVR is something that you need at home so that you can record your favorite TV shows when you are not at home to watch them later on. Each DVR player is different, so you must learn how to use their functions properly so that you can record the shows that you want successfully. Follow these useful tips to learn how you can use your DVR player. Read the user's manual. The first thing that you need to do is to read the instructions on the user's manual. This will give you an idea on how you can use the functions of your DVR. Make sure to read how to record shows, delete shows, and use the remote control. Afterwards, you can start to set up your DVR so you can start recording your favorite shows at once. Look for shows to record. Check the schedule of programming and take note of the time of the show that you want to record. To record the show, just look for the show's name on the menu on the DVR player and then press on the record button on the remote control. The show should automatically be recorded on your player when the show starts airing. DVR space. Before recording, make sure that you have enough space in the DVR player for the show that you want recorded. For some models of DVR players, the oldest recorded shows are automatically deleted to make space for the new show that you want to record. However, you should delete the shows on your own if you want some old episodes to remain in your player. Determine the capacity of your DVR player by checking the user's manual. Watching the TV show. When the recording is done, you can easily watch the TV shows. To do this, just look for the title of the show that you have recorded on the menu of the DVR player and then press the play button on the remote control. Now you can watch the TV shows just like a DVD movie, wherein you can pause or fast forward through commercials. Recording real time. You can also use the DVR player as you are watching real-time shows. This is good for watching football games or season finales of TV shows. All you have to do is to press the record button as you are watching. Whenever you want to grab a snack or when you need to do something else, just hit the pause button and then play it when you get back. These are some of the tips that you can use when making use of your DVR player. Make sure that you read all the instructions on the user's manual so that you can make the most out of your DVR player. Your player may have some special features that you can make use of. Having a DVR player is more convenient so that you do not have to miss any more shows that you want to watch.